Hi, up next we've got a lamp which unfortunately is not a goer, it's blown. But we can talk about it because they were in the, I think probably the 70s. It might have even been before then. If you went into any good electrical shop, now I'm thinking of Servo Radio, which was a very, very good shop in Wimbledon. A lot of you may still remember the name, Servo Radio. They sold a lot of interesting bits and pieces, and they at one time sold these lamps. Now, as I say, this lamp is a non-goer. It's a carbon filament, or was a carbon filament, no more. The filament's broken. At the top you've got a magnet, and the whole idea was these were called, I don't know what they were called, Bonner light comes to mind, or some name like that, but with the magnet at the top, and this being run on AC, it has to be AC obviously, you set up a magnetic field and the filament wavers from side to side. That probably helped it not lasting as long as it should have done. But anyway, if any of you have got any of these, they're worth keeping, because I think they're probably quite valuable now. This one is just valuable as I suppose a museum piece. It's a non-worker, but as I say, I do remember these. And the outer coating is in like a yellow lacquer, which was painted on there. You can see in some places it's becoming scratched and taken off. But that's the lamp. The magnet is obviously on the outside. Without the magnet, obviously it would just light up as a normal carbon, but in this case it did flicker. Made abroad. Now I'm going to show you another thing. I've often mentioned this, I didn't realise this was an example of this. If you look at that base or contact, bayonet cap, concentric circles, and this used to be found on lots of foreign made lamps from the Far East. I thought Japan. Don't know. I don't know where this was made, but that cap shows the normal concentric circles which you do find on lamps made in the Far East. That is more or less all I've got to say about it. I think it's called a Bonner flame or Bonner fire. At least that was the American name of them. I have got another one. I don't know where it is at the moment. It might have made its way to France, because my mate did take a lot of lamps last time he was here. I don't know, I can't find it here, so it may be there. But anyhow, that one did in fact work, but this one does not. Hand treatment. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask. If any of you have got one of these in working condition, hang on to it, and I would say don't fire it up. It's too valuable to lose the actual filament. So I think it's Bonner fire or Bonner flame. It's some name like that. It's what the Americans called them, but this one obviously was made over here. And there's nothing on it. There's nothing, no writing or anything. It looks like the pins came out at one time. They've been soldered back in. But there's no way I can repair that filament, so it just remains as, say, a museum piece. My museum. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. Any questions, please ask. I'll try and get back to you with an answer. Thank you again. Thank you.